Hey there, welcome to today's video. In this video, we're going to tackle a problem that many Excel users may face. The problem at hand involves working with an older version of Excel that lacks some of the newer, more convenient formulas. Specifically, we're looking to extract text that appears after a specific character in a cell. This character could be a space, and if there isn't one, we want to grab text starting from the ninth character. Fret not, as we have a solution for this dilemma right here. In the solution provided, we have a formula that efficiently addresses our problem. By using the IFERROR, MID, find, and len functions in Excel, we can extract the desired text effortlessly. The formula cleverly leverages the find function to locate the position of a space in the cell content. If a space is found, the MID function grabs the text that follows it. If no space is present, the formula defaults to extracting text from the ninth character onwards. This nifty solution streamlines the process of extracting text based on a specific character, making our Excel tasks much more manageable. Building on the previous solution, an even more concise version of the formula is available. By directly utilizing the MID function along with the IFERROR and find functions, we achieve the same outcome more succinctly. This trimmed-down formula eliminates the need for the additional function call on len K2 by cleverly incorporating the IFERROR statement within the MID function's parameters. This streamlined approach showcases the flexibility and efficiency of Excel functions when used in harmony to solve our text extraction predicament. In summary, by implementing the provided Excel formulas, we can effortlessly extract text from cells based on a specific character or position. These solutions showcase the versatility and power of Excel functions, even in older versions of the software. So go ahead, give these formulas a try in your own Excel worksheets and say goodbye to manual extraction woes. Thanks for watching, and remember to subscribe, like, and comment below with your thoughts on this handy Excel tip.